Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the battery replacement process for your HP Pavilion 15BC450NS, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Once you have these tools, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Next, flip the laptop over onto a soft surface to prevent any scratches. Locate the battery release latch on the bottom side of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once all screws are removed, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step, as rushing can damage the plastic clips holding the cover in place. After the back cover is removed, you will see the battery clearly. Before proceeding, it's crucial to discharge any static electricity. Wear your anti-static wrist strap to protect your laptop's internal components. Now, disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard by gently lifting it upwards. This will allow you to remove the battery safely. Now, let's remove the old battery. It is secured with a couple of screws, which you will need to remove using your Phillips screwdriver. Once these screws are out, carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. Take your new battery and position it in place. Align the screw holes and gently press down to ensure a snug fit. Secure the new battery with the screws you removed earlier. Next, reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, pressing it down firmly until you hear a click. Before reassembling the back cover, this is a good time to clean the internal components of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust and debris that may have accumulated inside. This will help keep your laptop running smoothly. If you're not comfortable doing this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, carefully place the back cover back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the cover in place. Make sure they are tightened adequately but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. Finally, flip your laptop back over, reconnect it to the power source, and power it on. You should see your new battery recognized by the system. If you face any issues during this process, or if you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. You can also get a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. With this, you have successfully replaced the battery in your HP Pavilion 15BC450NS. Enjoy your refreshed device and improved battery life. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.